Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to MCAP Mortgage account. To log in and access your MCAP Mortgage account, the first thing to do is to open up a web browser of your preference and then type in mcap.com inside the URL box and search. Doing so will take you to the official website for MCAP. Go to the top right hand corner and click on the little drop down button and then click on My MCAP Homeowner Portal. Now, you can enter your username and password for your account in order to access and manage your mortgage. Type in your username in the username tab on the left hand side corner and type in your account's password. If you're having trouble remembering your password or your username, click on Having Trouble Signing In and follow through the instructions. After filling in your details, click on Log In, and you will then be able to log into your MCAP Mortgage account online. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.